What if you did not have to predict which stock would rise next? Momentum traders look for stocks that are already moving strongly and try to follow the move before it slows down. Momentum trading is a strategy based on a simple idea. Strong price movements may continue for some time. Instead of buying a stock only because it looks cheap, a momentum trader looks for strength. For example, if a stock rises from $50 to $60 with strong buying activity, the trader may enter because buyers are still in control. Momentum often starts with a catalyst. A catalyst is simply an event that gives traders a reason to buy. It could be strong company earnings, a new product or major contract or positive industry news. But news alone is not enough. Traders also look for price confirmation and higher trading volume. A simple momentum setup has three parts. First, the stock is making higher highs and higher lows. Second, volume is increasing. Volume means how many shares are being traded. Third, the price breaks above an important resistance level, a price that previously stopped it from rising. Imagine a stock has failed to move about $100 several times. After strong earnings, it breaks above 100 with much higher volume. A trader may enter near $102, place a stop loss below the breakout, and target a higher price. Momentum trading is about finding strength, following the trend, and protecting your capital. Follow for more simple trading lessons. Thank you for watching.